Okay, so now we are back again at VIVATECH 2025 online meetup. Uh, and now we will proceed with the Morphing Eye, uh, presented by Miss Stella Lee. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, please proceed with your presentation and please make sure to uh, limit your presentation around like 10 minutes. Thank you.
Sure. Okay. Great. Do you see my full screen?
Yeah,
Okay,
but
great.
I have trouble with the audio. Give me just reboot my headphones.
Take your time.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I'm clearly hearing you.
Okay, I don't know. It's kind of cutting, but I can hear what you're saying. Okay,
Oh,
maybe the internet. I don't know.
is it okay? Is it okay?
Yeah,
Do
it's okay. It's okay. Please go ahead.
Okay, great. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Stella Lee, CTO and co-founder of Morphing. We've made $7 million in revenue in just 4 years after founding. So today I'll introduce the technology that made this possible. The problem we are addressing is significant. We use tap water every day, but are the pipelines being well managed? The truth is, not at all. The dirty internals are not the only problem, but leaks and sinkholes are causing massive economic losses and safety issues. South Korea alone bleeds $1.3 billion per year, and worldwide, they're losing up to $23.8 billion per year. Let's be honest, most cities have no idea what's happening underground. They're using 30-meter push cameras on 100 kilometers of networks. And pipe maps are outdated, and utility staff rotate so often that no one really knows what's buried where. Leak detection? Still done by guys walking around with acoustic sticks. And the data, like SCADA, CCTV, GIS, complaints data, it's all isolated. There's no integration, no prediction, and definitely no prevention. This isn't just inefficient, it's why cities are keep reacting instead of staying ahead. So Morphing I came up with this innovative solution. Pipeline analysis and prediction solution using our own cutting edge underwater robot combined with AI diagnostics and digital twin SaaS platform. So, how do we fix this problem? We built a full stack system from sensor to digital twin. First, we clip a compact sensor pack onto existing valves. It runs 24/7 and flags early warning signs such as pressure spikes, strain vibration, and chemical shifts. Then we send in our in-pipe robots. One entry point, 3 kilometers of inspection, capturing video, audio, and lidar. That data feeds into our AI diagnostic engine. It tells you where the leak is coming out from, where corrosion is, and where surface damage is. And we also predict the pipeline's life cycle, so tell our clients how many years are left until they have to replace into new pipes or when they have to clean it up. And finally, everything's are visualized in a real-time digital twin and GPT-powered dashboard. Anyone, not only engineers, can ask questions and get answers. It's a complete shift from reaction to prediction. Our one of our biggest edge is price. Since our robots enters through existing air valves or hydrants with no digging required. And it also inspects longer distance in one run, so fewer deployments, faster jobs, and lower costs. But it's not just chip, it's smart. Morphing Boat isn't just hardware, it's a predictive infrastructure platform. We detect leaks early, map entire networks with 10x more coverage, and reduce water leaks up to 30%. No digging, no shutdowns, and OPEX drops down by 20 to 30%. And every inspection makes our AI smarter, creating a data flywheel that drives long-term value and stickiness. Our real use case started from 2023. We signed MOU with four local governments, conducted up to 30 kilometers of various type of water pipes, and gathered 11 million multimodal data. And in 2025, right now, we added five more clients, including Gangnam, Busan, and we also received the 200-kilometer inspection request from Saudi Arabia. Our AI diagnosis solutions suggest not only a static report you can see on the right side, but also an interactive GPT powered dashboard and chatbot. You can see it on the middle. Even non-technical user can interact via natural language, asking questions and receiving AI-driven actionable answers. We have three main business models. First, robot-based inspection services, which is charged per kilometers. And second, AI-based diagnostics, including deterioration scoring and life cycle prediction. And third, GPT-based digital twin SaaS subscription. We are starting with water infrastructure, but eventually we are scaling up to oil and gas pipelines too. That's a huge market, which is $60 billion of global market. For only 4 years after founding, we achieved $7 million in cumulative revenue. And with our first VC investment last year, with pre-valuation of $40 million, we started global business expansion. And as that result, we are expecting another quantum jump of our sales starting from 2025. During this year, we signed more than 10 MOU or LOIs with global companies and entered into negotiation with new global clients. Yes. Um, we are expanding in stages based on pain, budget, and local traction. In the US, we've set up a C Corp in Silicon Valley and are working with Atlanta to launch a B2G pilot and factory. And in Saudi, we are in discussion with SWA and NISA for local setup and have been asked to hold 200-kilometer inspection scope. And in Southeast Asia, we are engaged with Singapore's Ministry of Defense for potential POC late this year and preparing to enter ODA backed markets via our own offices in Indonesia and Vietnam. We established a US entity in San Francisco this year, joining KIC Silicon Valley. From now on, our US Morphing U leads AI digital twin and manufacturing, and Korea Morphing I will focus on hardware R&D and testing, including oil and gas pipelines too, with global R&D, with our own diverse pipeline types as our test beds. Our CEO, Dr. Kian Kim, was one of the executive members of LG Group, leading new technology businesses of AI, blockchain, and big data. She was headhunted by Hancom as COO and experienced the role as a CEO there, and then launched her own business. She holds a PhD in engineering from Yonsei University, MBA from Korea University, and have received multiple national awards, including two ministerial awards on the same day. This is our leadership team. Our team includes former LG CNS leaders, and most of our engineers come from Korea's top three university, which means our team is highly educated, fluent in English, and deeply specialized across AI, engineering, smart cities, and businesses, each with proven expertise in their domain, including myself. We've built credibility across the globe through real performance. In 2021, which was our foundation year, we won the NVIDIA Top 3 Award, forming a long term partnership around on device AI. And in 2024, last year, we won first place in AI company at IFA Germany. And we were selected for BIVAN and GITEX program too. And we were also selected as Qatar Web Summit Growth Program. And we received inspection proposal from Saudi Arabia and got joint venture and investment offer directly from MISA, Saudi's Ministry of Investment. And in 2025, we were at the France AI Summit. We were among the top 100 companies selected from 100 countries, which led to an NDA with Qualcomm for collaborative on-device AI development. And this year, we were also awarded the Korean Ministry of Science Top 4 Grand AI Achievement Award. These are not just credentials, they are the foundation for global scale up. We are currently raising $10 million in Series A at $100 million in valuation. We in global market like EU and US. So we're not just building robots, we're turning infrastructure into a smart, searchable digital asset. So let's make the invisible to visible. Thank you.
Thank you very much for your time and all the presentation. The first question will be about VIVATECH, but I think you covered a lot of it because you already been in Europe, you've been to IFA, you've been to AI Summit in France. But what do you expect from VIVATECH right now? Do you want to enter more the French market, or you want to have a more partner or something?
Uh, actually, first of all, we're expecting to explore strategic partnerships, especially in infrastructure leaders, public sector buyers, and EU-based innovators. And in addition to business, we are also preparing for Korea EU joint research initiatives, which is run for 3 years, and we want to do the global R&D for oil pipelines. We want to start that starting from next year, so we want to prepare it starting from this year. And I think VivaTech is a great bridge to identify the right collaborators. And also, France is also a great market to us too, since they have like over 20% of water loss from aging pipelines and with some networks dating back over a century. So that's the prime market for us too. So we want to look out for the market too.
All right, okay. And your device, is it compatible to any size of pipe? Because I saw a picture where it was very big and some picture where it's small. Do you have like a different size of it, or how do you adapt to different type of pipes?
Yes, you got it right. We have three different sizes. Like largest version is 60 centimeters in length, but the smallest 60 centimeter, 60 centimeter in length. And smallest version is only 11 centimeter in length. So we go into various types of pipelines.
Okay, all right. And for in terms of clients, to understand more on the size of the pipe, do you target like government contractor, for example, on the water pipe, or you target end customer like people like me that want to check leaks in home, or is mostly only for the network in general?
Actually, our first target is for the mainly by the government who owns the big water pipe that is underground, but about the pipelines that is built in buildings, we are also selling the existing solution in Korea to global. We link them together because we found a lot of opportunity in that area in-building pipeline area too in Dubai, since they have a very big and high building and they have less infrastructure there. So we're targeting that too.
Okay. Well, like building pipes, like small pipes like this, not pipelines. Okay. Yeah, it can also be a good market because it's very hard to find a leak in a building,
Yeah.
especially when it's skyscraper or something like that. Okay. And right now, you already have clients outside of Korea, right?
Sorry?
You already have clients outside of Korea.
Yes, we are. Yeah, we are dealing with them. We are, yeah, about the price. We have the
Okay. And what challenge have you faced in scaling globally? Uh, the difference between the Korean market and the global market, and all the difference you can have faced.
Actually, in the UAE market and the Saudi Arabia market, their pipelines are way more longer than us in Korea. So they are they need better version of this. So they need what 10 to 100 kilometer inspection. 3 kilometers is not enough. So they
Mm-hmm.
want it to make this robot rough, but available to inspect longer distance. So we need some um, money to customize into that market. So that's why we are on Series A of our series round.
Okay. And so you want to target that market as a priority first.
Yes, actually, yes, US and Saudi, UAE, MENA area is our first target.
Okay. And right now, are you able to, like, on the stage of the production, are you able to deliver the product on industrial scale, or you still mostly working with prototypes?
Oh no, we are selling this AI analysis solution and robot solution to Korea government. So it's ready to sell. And our AI accuracy was 95%, which was verified by TTA. Yeah, yeah, Telecommunication Technology Association.
Okay. Okay. And what is making you stand out in front of competitors? Because I'm sure you have some. Are they not using AI, or what's the difference
Uh,
between the competitor?
our biggest strength is we own our hardware and we are very strong in software too. We have collaboration of this, and most of our competitors doesn't focus on software like AI or digital twin. That's a really new area to the companies who worked with hardware solutions. So I think we have some strength about that.
Okay. Yes, mostly, yeah, the AI is giving you a good step ahead compared to the
Mm-hmm.
competition. Okay. Uh, I think, yeah, I don't have much more question, but we are running out of time anyway. Uh,
Oh,
yeah. So thank you very much for all the presentation, your time, and I will be very happy to see you in VivaTech in 2 weeks. And I hope you can be very successful for you in meeting some more partners or clients.
thank you so much. Okay, thank
Thank
you.
you very
Nice to meet
much.
you.
Thank you very much. Have a good day.